Hi, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Tony Holowitz, and I am asked the question on occasion of who owns Act CRM. So, Act was originally developed about 35 years ago by two gentlemen, one by the name of Pat Sullivan, and the other was Mike Mooney. And the original name for the software was Activity Control Technology. Now, that doesn't necessarily roll off the tongue, so I see that as ACT being a great name for it, great acronym. But having stated that, it's gone through different hands over time. In 1993, it was sold to Symantec. And then in 1999, it was sold to Sales Logic. And then Sage purchased ACT in 2001. Swiftpage, the current owner, acquired it in 2013. And I think the story gets sort of interesting there because Swiftpage was originally an email program that was incorporated into Act software. And through time, they made a decision to buy the software from the folks at Sage. So it was bought by Swiftpage, and then through time, it went through a couple other ownerships. It was sold to a group of advisors, and then in 2020, Swiftpage Act, which it was branded as, actually changed its name and the company name to Act LLC. So again, just to backtrack for a minute, we are talking about a number of companies that owned it. First, it was developed by Mike and Pat, and then it was Symantec. It was also known as Sales Logic. Then it was known as Sage, and then Swiftpage, and now it's referred to specifically as Act. So it's gone through some steps. But I think one thing you want to take away from that is this has been software that's been around for a long time. It has some roots. It has some stability. Even though it might have been bought and sold quite a few times, and some people find that a negative when they're considering purchasing Act, I see it as a positive because the value of the company keeps increasing. Therefore, other people want to buy the company. So I see it as a good thing, not necessarily a bad thing. So that's just a very brief history of who owned Act, who owns it now. And I think if you look forward, Act is changing, it's evolving, and it's a good product that'll be around for years to come. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye now.